Hello everyone, today we'll make a African lady canvas art. So let's get started. So firstly trace this design on your canvas or else you can draw it freehand. Now take your acrylic fabric glue and start making patterns in the background squares. And only take the acrylic fabric glue as it becomes transparent later on. Now this will be the final look after all textures. Now outline all the lady with the black cone 3D outliner. It is a Fevicryl brand. Now we will do pastel shades in the background where we have made the texture, and only make it when your texture is dried, and you can make it directly on the canvas. And here we will make them pastel by adding white and a tinge of dark shade in it. And if you want to buy any of the materials, then all the materials are linked in the description box. And also visit my website, a link is there in the description box. Now take your Fevicryl glass colors, 10 assorted shades, and now start pouring these shades in the hair and the skin part. Here I am using black color, and it might happen that your canvas may absorb a little of color, glass color. So you have to apply 2 coats of it so that it becomes shiny and bright. And now take your red color and fill it in the dress part, and similarly you can take any other color of your own choice and fill it in all the lady portion. And there is also a September month contest. All the details are linked in the description box. You can visit and participate from there. Now it's all ready. After drying, it is going to look like this, and it's all ready. It's looking so beautiful. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe.